Hello everyone and welcome to my story club show. Dear friends, since last 1 month I have been arranging a story club show, and I think it is helping you to learn English, and it is also helping you to learn some moral lessons in life. And these moral lessons are helping us to make our attitude positive, and it is giving us help to change our mindset, and it is giving us courage to face the problems in life. Dear friends, the title of today's story is The Story of a Woodcutter. You know what is meant by woodcutter? Woodcutter is a man who cuts wood or who cuts trees. There was a great woodcutter. He was a genius woodcutter. He was very good in his work. He was very perfect in his job. But he wanted to do job in a company of cutting woods. He wanted to do a job and he wanted to earn good salary, and he got a job in a good timber merchant company. And the boss of the company told him that he will give him good salary. He will give him salary according to his demand, but he will have to do a lot of work for his timber merchant company. And this woodcutter was ready for that condition. And on the first day, the boss gave him an axe, and the boss showed him the area where he had to cut the trees. And the woodcutter went in that area, and on the first day, he cut 18 trees, and he brought those trees to the place where the boss had told him to bring. And boss became very happy by his work. Boss congratulated him, and boss said him to continue his work like that. On the next day, the woodcutter went into the area to cut trees. He worked harder than yesterday, but today he only could cut 15 trees. Then on the third day, he even tried harder to cut trees, but he only could cut 10 trees. And day after day, the number of cutting trees was becoming less and less. Now the woodcutter was worried. He does not understand what was happening, because he was trying hard every day, but he was not able to cut trees as many as he had cut yesterday, or as many as he had cut the day before yesterday. Every day, the number of cutting trees was becoming less and less, and so that he was worried. He was anxious. The woodcutter had become anxious. He was under stress. He was under pressure. He was thinking why it was happening so. And so he went to his boss and he told his boss, I'm trying very hard every day, but I'm not able to cut as many as trees I cut yesterday. I think my strength has become less. I think so. Or he said, I do not understand what is happening with me. Why I am cutting less trees. I am working hard every day. I am trying to work more hard than yesterday, but I am not able to cut the trees as many as I cut yesterday. And then the boss asked him, did you sharpen the axe? When did you last sharpen your axe? And the woodcutter said, sharpen? I don't have time to sharpen my axe because I am busy in the work of cutting trees. I have not sharpened the axe. And the boss, understood the reason Why he was not able to cut more trees? Because he had not sharpened his axe since last many days, and the axe had become dull. And that's why the axe was not working properly, and he was not able to cut more trees. He was doing hard work. He was doing hard work, but it was useless because for cutting more trees, what is required? The sharp axe is required, and he had not sharp axe. He had a dull axe. That's why he was cutting less trees. And my dear friends, it is happening with our life also. We are very busy in our work. We don't have time for others. In olden days, people used to have free time, but they were happy. And now we are working very hard, but we are less happy. In olden days, people were more happy. They had more free time. They were able to give time to their families. They were able to pay attention towards their personal life. They were able to give time to our Creator. They were able to give time to the God. They used to worship the God. And today we are busy. We are trying to earn more and more. Yet we are thinking that our earning is less. And that's why we are not giving time to our family. We are not giving time to our children. We are not giving time to our hobbies. We are not giving time to reading. We are not giving time for resting. And I think we are very busy, but the truly important things are neglected. In our life, we are not paying attention towards the things which are truly important. Our personal life, our family, our health, these things are truly important for us. Our children, we are not giving time for taking enough rest. And I think we are not sharpening the axe of our life. And that's why our life has becoming dull. Our life is becoming monotonous. Our life is becoming boring. And so we also have not sharpened the axe of our life. If we have to be more happy in life, then we should sharpen the axe of our life. If we will not sharpen the axe of our life, we will become dull and we will lose the effectiveness in life. This is the moral of the story. My dear friends, I liked this story very much. Why? Because the woodcutter in this story, the main character is woodcutter. He was working very hard, but he was not getting the result. Why was he not getting the result? Because he was not doing smart work. He was doing hard work. And we also are working hard in life. But if we have to become successful in life, then we should do smart work. We should try to do smart work and we should not do hard work. In today's world, successful people do smart work, they don't do hard work. And today there is need to pay attention towards our health. Today there is need to pay attention towards our family. Today there is need to pay attention towards our children. Today there is need to pay attention towards our hobbies, our interests. Then our life will become meaningful. Otherwise, our life will become dull. My dear friends, we are earning a lot of money, yet we don't have enough money because our earning is less and our demands are more. But I think all these things are not necessary to live life happily. We can live our life happily with less needs also. We should have limited needs in life, but we should try to live happy life. That's the moral of this story. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks a lot.